afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. So I'm going to do a quick rundown of, in fact, this video is focused on showing you my earnings and how you can convert your earnings to USDT, how you can swap it to USDT. So this is new Bitcoin mining, right? This is the interface, the website where the mining takes place. So let me just give a little background. So the owners or creators or developers of new Bitcoin, they have two other coins that are already on PancakeSwap. What it means is that they're already listed on PancakeSwap, so you can swap them for USDT or any other token or coin of your choice. So those coins are new USD, is a stable coin. It has the same equivalent rate with USDT. So what that means is that one USDT is equivalent to one new USD, right? So let's take note of that. Then they also have Fuel New BTC. As the name implies, Fuel New BTC is a coin that if you want to mine new BTC, you will use Fuel New BTC to mine new BTC. I hope you understand that. Um, it will make sense as we proceed. So what it means that before you can mine new BTC, you need to have USDT, the normal USDT you know. Then you swap it into new USD. They can now swap that USDT into new USD. Then you swap new USD with FNBTC, Fuel New BTC. So is the Fuel New BTC you are going to use to mine new BTC. Let me give you a little background information about new BTC. So new BTC is developed to have the equivalent rate of BTC, that's Bitcoin that you know, and it's following the pattern of BTC halving. You know, BTC halves every 4 years. So for new BTC, this is the development started just last month, right? So those that will mine it now are early, just like early adopters of Bitcoin. So you are early if you get in now. So let me give a quick disclaimer. I'm not the owner of the project. I'm a participant and I have benefited from it. That's why I'm making this video and sharing this opportunity. So you make up your mind to join or not. So this is just to share the information. So you need to if you mine new BTC, it will be locked for 100 months, right? 100 months is equivalent to 2033. So you won't have access to it. You can only stake it if you want. You stake it for that 100 months. So it will be released in 2033. That's what it means. And the value is equivalent to the current value of Bitcoin, right? So, but that's not our focus. How are we going to be earning from this platform? So, when you mine with Fuel New BTC, whatever you mine with that Fuel New BTC, whatever new BTC you were able to mine, you get equivalent of it in as a bonus, as a reward in Fuel New BTC. So what it means is that if you're able to mine 0.01 new BTC, you will get equivalent reward of 0.01 Fuel New BTC. It will make sense when I connect my wallet and show you all of these processes. Now, the current rate of Fuel New BTC is around $70, $74 within that range currently. It is expected to go up, right? So if you want to join, this is the best time to join now that the coin is low. So, and you will need minimum of 0.5 Fuel New BTC to be able to mine. And each time you mine within a window of 4 hours. Each time you mine, you will get 1% of the capital you are using to mine. For instance, if you are mining with $200 worth of Fuel New BTC, you will get 1% of $200. If you are mining with the lowest amount, the minimum amount of 0.5 Fuel New BTC, which is around $35, you'll be getting 1% of that $35. So the minimum you can come in with is that 35 USDT, that $5, which is 0.5 at the current rate of Fuel New BTC, which is around $70. So if it increases, it means that you need to buy it at the rate it is when it will be when it increases. So I'm going to enough of the background information, but it's just to give you a background information, right? So I'm going to connect my wallet. I'm using Trust Wallet. So there are different wallets you can use for this mining process. You can use Trust Wallet, you can use SafePal, you can use BitGet or BitJet or whatever it is called. You can use that. You can use MetaMask, right? So just watch me connect my wallet. Fine, it's connected, right? So let me just go through the dashboard. It's loading. So this is 2:22 p.m. Nigerian time, right? 22 minutes past 2 p.m. So the last mining, I don't know if I mentioned it, it's you can mine every 4 hours. So the last mining section just ended. The next one just started, right? So if you check the timer in front of you, will see time remaining 3 hours, 43 minutes, 51 seconds. So the current mining section has started. So I'm going to show you how to claim what I mined in the last mining session. The last mining session started around 10 p.m., 10 a.m. rather, and just ended around past 2. So I'm going to show you how to claim what I mined, what I was able to mine, and what I have mined since I commenced this project. I started this project, that was on 25th of July, right? So 25th of July till date. That's about 8 days or so. So I'm going to show you what I've been able to mine and earn from this project. And then let me just scroll through and show you how it works. So the next mining, if you check select mining pools, um, 1,003 people have joined the next mining pool. Remaining, the blocks left is 2,497. So people will keep joining. I've not joined, right? I will join immediately after this tutorial. So this is how it looks. But I will show you all of this. So what I need to do now is to go and claim. I will check my, if you click on the three horizontal lines on the right top corner of the screen, you will see this, what is just showing on your screen. You will see mine, history, referral, staking, claim wallet. So our concern here is three places: mine, staking, and claim wallet. Staking is where you see what you have been able to mine, the new BTC you've been able to mine. So if you check here, I've been able to mine 2.9394 new BTC. So what it means is that I've been able to also mine its equivalent in fuel new BT. So I currently have 2.934 fuel new BT I have mined as a bonus I got within this period I've been mining. So the bonus I got, it depends on how many fuel new BTC I'm mining with, right? Of course, if I was mining with only 0.5 fuel new BTC, I won't be getting this amount. So this, what you're seeing, claimable rewards, was what I got as what I mined in the last mining section. So I got 0.06299 blah 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 new BTC. So I'm going to claim it now, show you how to claim it. You just to click on claim, put your password, and then it will add up to the total that I stake. So I will claim and stake it. Remember, I told you that it's not going to be available until after 100 months. That's 2033. But that's not our major concern. Our major concern is how can you um, stake it and plan for the future, which is staking it and plan for the future value. If you check below, the portfolio value is $334,855. So this is the equivalent of the current value of BTC. The current value of BTC, 2.9394 of BTC is this value. So like I told you, it has the equivalent of BTC is what we are mining. So we are the early adopters. So I'm going to claim it now. You click on claim and stake. It will load and ask you to approve. So I will approve it, put my password, and processing. So like I told you, this was what I earned. It has processed. It has added to the value of new BTC. So I currently have 3.0024. So what that means is that I have earned 3 fuel new BTC mining this process since I commenced mining on 25th of this month. So let me claim the fuel new BTC. So you come to claim wallet. So okay, to show it will reflect. My balance is going to reflect. Let's just give it few seconds. My balance, okay, fine, it has reflected. So I currently have 6.9500 fuel new BTC. If you check the caption, it says refunded fuel. So what it means is that if you mine with any amount of fuel new BTC, after that mining section, they will refund your capital back to your Trust wallet. I'm going to show you that, right? I'm going to show you, go to my Trust wallet. After claiming this fuel new BTC, I will go to my wallet, Trust wallet, and show you this balance. You can either withdraw your earnings or use both your capital and your current earning to mine the next section. Of course, if you use both, if you compound, we call it compounding. If you use both your capital and the next bonus you got to mine, the next bonus will be higher than what you got the previous time. But if you want to withdraw your earnings, your bonus, you can withdraw it and swap it to get USDT. So let me claim this, right? I'm going to claim that for NEWBTC. So okay, approve. You put your passcode. Processing. I've claimed it. So let me scroll down to show you. So remember, I told you that the amount of new BTC you're able to mine in every 4 hours, you will get a bonus of 4 new BTC, of the equivalent amount. If you remember, we claimed and staked 0.06299 blah 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 new BTC. So this one has been approximated. So I'm going to claim this is the bonus, what I earned. I'm going to, please keep this number in mind, 0.0630. Keep it in mind. This is what I earned in the last 4 hours of mining. I'm going to claim this. I'll go to my Trust wallet. I will show you how to convert it to USDT. So if I want to just take my bonus out, I can do that. If I want to wait every 24 hours to do that, I can do that. If I want to leave it in the system to use it to mine with my capital, I can do that. If you want to remove your capital entirely, you can do that. You are 100% in control of your capital, right? So I'm going to claim it now. So when I claim it, it will add up to the 6 points, 6 point something for NEWBTC you saw earlier. It will add up to it. So processing is still processing. Let's give it a little time. Fine, I've claimed the bonus, successful. So it will disappear from here and appear in my for NEWBTC available balance in my Trust wallet. Yes, I've been able to do that. So we go to mine. So this is the next mining section that I told you that has started. So the timer will, I just have to refresh it so that the timer will, okay, 3 hours, 35 minutes. So keep in mind, so my balance, remember my balance there was 6 point something, right? So the bonus I earned in the last mining section will be added to my balance. So if you check here, available fuel new BTC balance, 7.014. So I'm going to exit this place now and go to my Trust wallet and show you this particular balance. Then I'm going to swap 0.0630 fuel new BTC I earned as a bonus. I'm going to swap it to USDT. That's the purpose of this video, so that you know that you can get your cash while you are mining. You don't need to wait for 2033 before you can start earning from this project. So and then I will still come back to this place to show you how to enter the next mining pool, or I will do another video so that this video will not be too long. It's already 18 minutes past. I'll do another video to show you how to mine. So let me exit this platform and go to my Trust wallet. So this is my Trust wallet. Go to home. So check my balance is reading 0.62. Like I said earlier, the balance is not reflecting in dollars, right? Because you need to swap it to new USD and then swap it to USDT. When you do that, your balance will reflect. So I will go to fuel new BTC. Look at it there. So look at it. My balance here is showing 7.014169. So I'm going to swap this. I'm going to swap only 0.0630. The bonus I earned in the last mining section. So click on swap. Then you choose new USD. I said earlier you swap with new USD. So you search for new USD. Fine. So I'm going to put the amount I want to swap. So I want to swap the bonus I earned, 0.0630. So the value will appear now. So what is the value you are seeing? The value of 0.0630 is $4.427, right? So bear this in mind. You can see one FNBTC is equivalent to 70.277. So the value depends on the rate, but this is the current value now. So I'm going to swap the bonus I earned, and I'll also swap it in USDT so that you know that the bonus you earn, you can convert it to USDT, right? So, okay, it has changed. The value now is $71.44. So let me swap it now that it's $71.44. So, swap, transaction details, completed, fine. So let me go back. So, the value has reduced. So the value will add up to my new USDT. So let me swap new USDT with USDT. So you search for USDT. Mass. So this is the value. So what are you seeing here? The value of new USD is equivalent, almost equivalent, right? The difference is just a little 0.00 cents, right? So the value of 4.5 new USD is equal to 4.47 USDT. So I'm going to swap this now to show you that you can convert your earnings into USDT and withdraw it and change it to your local currency, right? So let me confirm the swap. It's pending, so let's wait for it to be completed. It's still showing pending. If we are unsuccessful with the swapping, we can swap it again. But let's give it a little time. Okay, it has completed. That's good. So I'm going to go back so that you can see the value will now reflect as my. Okay, it has not reflected yet. Let's give it some time. Let me refresh. Fine, it has reflected. So let me check my USDT so that you can see the value. Where is USDT? Okay, fine. Look at it here. So this is my USDT balance, $4.47. So 0.0630 bonus I earned is equivalent to 4.47. What does that mean? It means I'll get my calculator for, let's keep this in mind, 4.47. Remember, you mine every 4 hours, and there are 644 hours in 24 hours. So you can earn this amount. If you have that balance I had, you can earn this amount every 4 hours and convert it to your local currency. So let's check the value of $4.47. Let me go to my calculator so that you can see what you 4.47 times 6. So in every 24 hours, you are sure to earn 26.82 USDT in this project. Right? So like I said earlier, this project started last month. Early adopters have chance to make it big in this project. But this is cryptocurrency, and I'll also put a disclaimer. I'm not the owner of the project. I'm a participant and I've been benefiting from it. Like I told you, I've been able to earn 3 fuel new BTC. So let's convert my earnings, right? One fuel new BTC, $70. So I've been able to earn 70 times 3, which is 210. I've been able to earn 210 USDT in this project within that period of time, between 25th till date. Today is 3rd of August, between 25th of July to 3rd of August. So we'll draw the cutting here. If you have any question, you can reach out to me. If you need more clarification, you can reach out to me. I'll do a second video on how to register and start mining. Thank you and have a great day.